Hello, my name is Abshiksa and I am demonstrating my ASE assignment part 2. So moving on, I have filled my basic informations, and for the Boose version I am using 1.09. Here we can see I am using 1.09 version, and I have added my GitHub username, and I have also added my link here to my GitHub repository. So here I can show you that my username is here. So my total number of commits by today, as you can see here, it's 34. And yes, I have I have documented my commits. I have also updated my readme file with my name, section and my tutor, and I have also marked done for the part I have completed. Yes, showing the interfaces, I can show you here in app canvas. I have used iCanvas, and similarly here I have used iParser. Showing my unit test. Okay, I have unit test, so I will run the test. Okay, so the test, it should pass. Yes, so we can see the 13 tests have been passed, and yes, my test classes have the proper comment, and I have also made a documentation file, and I have added the link to my readme file here. I have two links, one for the ASE assignment, and I have documented all my classes and methods and its features, and I have also documented all my test class features. So I have passed all the unit test, and yes, factory design pattern. So for factory design pattern, I have used command parser, and it is implementing command factory, and what it does is it goes through the command and the switch case, and through the switch case they call the classes, like if it's int or it's real, then it will call these classes. So additional design pattern, so I have added compound command. So this compound command actually helps other classes, like if, else. I have implemented else command, and it is implementing the compound command, so that it will help further other classes to run the if else programs even in the end. If so, okay, if I have to do, so okay, from the Boose method I can show also here in the output. Yes, so it is here. Now replaced int class. Yes, it is working. And I have also added the image. So for the image, it's the same image as we have seen the output. Following to the next question, real class. So I have listed all the commands here. Yes, and what actually is happening, the circle cannot take the float or real parameters. It only takes the integer, so even the circle is not being drawn here. And I have also added the link for the image. Similarly for the array. Okay, I haven't cleared that. Let me clear it and do it again. Okay, so this is also working. And now let's move for the another part, while with unrestricted. Okay, let me add it once here. So there's so for the while I'm getting error, but actually what I can do here is, so when I am removing nested or another while loop, I am getting output. And I have also added this image to my GitHub. Yes. So with error, I have added my image here. Moving on to the next part for and yes, it is working, and I have also added this image to the GitHub as well. And I have also added the link here. And going with if, and yes, it is working. Another command is for else. So here, if I change the value of 50 to 5, and when I run it, yes, the else part is also working here well. And I have also added this image and added the link to the form. So for else, here is the else. Okay, the exact image that I got from the output. Moving on to the next part, replace methods. And yes, it is working. And I have also added this image to the GitHub and added the link. So have you done anything? Okay, for this part, I haven't added any web or any graphical version, but what I have actually done is added the load and shift functionality. So suppose I run this, and from here I will save it and go to test 1. So it gives me success, and when I clear this and load that test 1.5 and run it, yes, it is working well. So this is my another added functionality. So regarding AI, no, I haven't used any AI, and except for the Boose, I haven't added any other libraries. And yes, I have used Sandcastle to develop the XML file and generate HTML version. So that was it, and thank you.